मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूं जहां छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूं जहां हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूं जहां डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूं जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। A very frenetic morning to Honorable Prime Minister Sir, respected Minister Sir. This is Shweta Umre from Government Institute of Forensic Sciences, Rashtra Sant Tukadoji Maharaj University, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Today, I will be speaking on the topic connecting India economically, culturally and geographically. Now, when I look at this topic, I can see two aspects. The first aspect is how do we connect India to itself. The second aspect is how do we connect India to other countries globally. So when I talk about the first aspect, I dearly feel that India is already a connected nation. Now how? NASA has reportedly stated that the sound of the rotation of Earth is Om. And we have been worshipping Om, we have been worshipping landscapes, rivers, lakes since ages now, which states that our culture is born out of the geography of our country. Moving ahead to how culture is connected to the economy. When I talk on this, how can I not talk about the heritage tourism that we have, about Char Dham, about Golden Temple, about Haji Ali Dargah, about the beautiful churches of Goa. This heritage tourism generates revenue for our nation, and this revenue helps us build a better, a stronger economy. And that we have a stronger economy now, it is possible for us to reach to the portions of the country that are in the most remote areas. And this would lead to not only literate individuals, but educated individuals. And educated individuals of this nation would arise and develop a better and stronger culture, would arise and take care of the geography of their nation. And when this would happen, our India would arise. Talking of geography, when I see that people who drink water in Bengal, it comes from the Himalayas. The people who experience rainfalls in Mumbai are the clouds that are coming from Gujarat. And we have the second largest network of roads in the world, thanks to the 3% taxpayers of this country. Ahead.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare. Sim sim pola pola, sim sim pola. Sim sim pola pola, sim sim pola. Fine flat flute, pipe, petola petola. Drum drum duplex, simbola simbola. Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna. We want to go. अरे बोलो बोलो. America, America, America.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान। दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, I love my India.